Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. We're back at the Money House. I was here in March 2022. I got told by someone that they've painted over the graffiti that was in it, so I'm just back to have a quick look to see if it's true. So let's begin the video. If that is the case, I'll put a link in the description of the graffiti that's inside the house, because it was there for a lot of years, and they've done away with it. Well, somebody painted over it, so there's the old house there. Basically, Craig, the story behind this house was, this used to be the original road that we're walking on, and people used to come and spend the night in there. But it was a family that lived in it. The father, the son, the daughter-in-law. I think there was about 8 people staying in this house. So yeah, it looks like it's true enough, guys, that the graffiti has been painted over. So basically, you guys, what I just said to Greg, that's the family there. That's that, you guys can read that. That was his name, George Mackay. So, through the door, yeah. First thing I noticed is the graffiti that's been painted over. Some arseholes came and painted over all the old graffiti that was here for a lot of years, and replaced it with a stupid smiley face. This bit here used to say "Dead inside, don't enter," and a reference to The Walking Dead, and absolutely nothing was painted at all, and this must be the culprit here that painted it. So if you're watching this video and told I'm an arsehole, that's my little rant over. Let us say, this was it, totally gone by that prick called Dave. Absolutely shocking. I like the graffiti, everyone liked the graffiti. Basically there's a plaque up there, but I can't read it anymore because it's starting to crumble. But apparently he owned all that bit that's fenced off, he owned all this bit of land as well. It looks like that's graffiti there, Craig. Somebody's painted over. So somebody's graffiti that wasn't like that last time, so somebody's came over and painted over it as well. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Yep, so anyway, this is the scenery we've got, guys. But I'm just going to leave this rant here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.